Hey folks, today we're going to talk about peace. I'm going to give you a cool tool that you can use to make the target feel closer. So, what's so funny about humans, our cool little melon minds, we often come up with maps to the emotional state that we want to have. Just like we do a regular destination, like one outside in the world. We say, if I say this and they do that, and then this happens and that happens, then I will feel, insert feeling that you think is here but not here. Where you are, where that feeling you want to have is, all the stuff that has to happen in the middle. And what's so funny about us is that a lot of our feelings are relative to our thoughts, just good old mental constructs. That means we feel some kind of way because we think some kind of way. Let me show you. Here's objective reality. Someone with a background where they've been taught to think puritanically will think different about this reality than a child of hippies. How they feel about it then is different as well. This is pretty basic, but sometimes we forget that we have all kinds of power over our feelings when we use our power over our minds. Granted, there's nuance, and sometimes you feel some type of way without a thought. Not all feelings are problems. Not everything is there for you to change or control. But for this tool, we're interested in the map that you create because of what you showed up to the objective reality with. You might think that to become lovable, attractive, confident, be at peace with a situation, that all these other things would have to happen. But what's helpful to remember is that somebody without those ideas might be feeling the same type of way you want to feel now. Don't get me wrong, there is nuance. That means that you may want or need objective reality to actually be different. If this is amount of money that you have, or a physical state, or a connection, you may want and even need this to progress. However, you might have a little wiggle room around how you feel about the reality while it's on their way there. What's so crazy is that sometimes we think feeling bad will get us there faster. Does it? Does that work? What if you let objective reality be cool on its way to cooler? So in this tool today, in making peace, you can make peace now by letting there be peace. Sometimes it's a lot closer than you make it seem. You just gotta adjust some things first. So to summarize this tool, basically you become more mindful to your process of interpreting reality and asking, what am I thinking about this? That's having me feeling some type of way. Is that helpful? And also, is there somebody else that could feel the end state I want to feel in the same set of circumstances I have? P.S. If you're interested in coaching, check out theselfhug.com.